Hiya knitters and crocheters. This week is going to be a product review of just a few of our accessories that you may not know about, or you may know about but want to see a little bit more. So I am going to start with our newest accessories, and that is our alpaca tape measures. So if the light's not shining, go, there you see that. Both of them come with an adorable, almost watercolor illustration on them. See that? Also handy keyring toggle to attach to your accessory bag so you can't lose it. It's not that thick either, so it won't take up too much space. I love that it's got a warning at the end going, stop! Goes up to 1.5 meters or 60 inches. They also both have this button on the back, auto retracting. So yeah, they are our two newest additions to the range. The next thing I'm going over, you may have seen online on our Instagram and Facebook, we have our new range of embroidery scissors. Now, I have noticed that our unicorn ones have got a lot of love. However, we do have 3 other types as well, and these are my personal favourite. These are our Art Deco style ones, somewhere in between Art Deco and Art Nouveau. Just handy, quite sharp, rainbow metallic style embroidery scissors. I will be showing you some other scissors we have that are miniature, but these are larger, decent size for wider projects. So yeah, that is Art Deco embroidery scissors. We also do have these in guitar, unicorn like I said before, and butterfly. So yeah, showing them some love. Whilst I'm on scissors, these are the smaller scissors we offer in our range. Let my camera focus. These are our kitty snips. These are handy little ones that can be attached to your key rings or attached to your bag. A lot of our accessory bags have a ring on it for you to attach things such as this. Very simple, very snug in there. Just little miniature scissors. So if I just compare them to the ones I showed you before, the 2 sizes. Our snips come in a range of different animals, including puppy, which I know I feature a lot on my videos as they are always they're just over there on my desk. We also offer them in octopus, sleepy kitty, or this little dapper fellow who, if you can see, he has a little bow tie. Just so adorable. But yeah, these come in a range of colours and animals like I said before. So yeah, that's our kitty snips. Next thing to show you is our dumpling case. All with the Chinese brocade style material. Very sturdy little things and easy to open, just pinch at the sides. And this one comes with a range of multicoloured stitch markers in it. So this set comes with the locking stitch markers. Very handy little padlocks in a range of colours. And this is just an excellent way to keep hold of some of your smaller accessories, like your stitch markers, cable connectors, your needle grips can go in here, just if you want something small in your accessory bag to keep the easy to lose bits in, with a very simple way to secure. The next thing I'm going to show you is our bead stoppers. These are gorgeous handy little accessories that have a blown glass effect to them. If my camera can focus on them too close. There we go. These come in a range of different colours and all of them have this gorgeous little golden or silver speckly effect to them. So how these work is there's 2 main ways people use them. One, if they're trying to save the work, if it's put away for a bit, if it's a work in progress. to stop your stitches sliding off the ends of your tips. It's also an excellent way to save your work if you need to use your tips for something else. So these just pop onto your cable like so. So these work as excellent little blockers to stop your work sliding off and helps protect it and does it in a cute, stylish way. So like I said before, we have got these in a range of different colours, different speckle effects, and we do them in all the sizes to match our cables, so miniature, small and large. And then the last thing, I have to show you something with one of our pandas on it, because it wouldn't be HiyaHiya without a cute little panda. So these are our panda point protectors. These you may have seen on Instagram. These are very popular with our knitters. They pop up everywhere. And I can't blame them because they are just adorable little pandas. These are the small ones. We also do them in a larger size. The socks vary in colour too, but they come in pairs. So these have the dual effect of they help protect your needles from getting blunt in between working on them, but they also stop you from potentially poking yourself with them when they're in your bags. So if I've got work on here, they just fit nicely on the end of your needles. So when you're transporting your work around in your bag, go to reach for it, you're not gonna get the sharp end of one of our tips. You'll have these cute little fellas protecting you. And like I said before, in the long run, they help protect your needles too. So as durable as these are, it stops any blunt force against them that might damage them accidentally. So yeah. Just a quick video this week, just going over a few of our newer items and a few of our favourite items that you might be interested in buying. Which if you are, there is a list below to all of our stockists from where you can purchase these from. If you are wanting to become a HiyaHiya stockist, there is a link below to registration as well for you. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if there's any other videos you'd like me to cover certain items or things you'd like to see up close. And until next time, happy knitting and crocheting.